What's up YouTube, Medic Rob coming to you again with a review and install of some bed hook anchors that I installed by myself. This is a separate purchase where the hooks come by themselves and the panels come by themselves. They made it more affordable. It takes about $5 doing it separately. Please smash that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell for some more notifications on videos that I upload. Here you are, you're just looking at what comes with the package, and do not use these tools. They are pointless. They will not help you. These are self-tapping screws, and you need an impact drill if you want to be successful with this install. Now I'm going to be showing you my install, and make sure you check the links in the description so you can find what I purchased and how much it was. The links are in the description. But this is my install, this is my drill. I almost burnt my drill. Make sure you smash that like button too for almost burning my drill. There was a little bit of smoke coming out of it. If I had an impact drill, it would have been a lot easier and a lot better. Again, these are self-tapping screws, so they are very, very hard to get into this panel. So if you had an impact drill, it wouldn't affect it. This isn't the greatest video, and I apologize, I didn't have my stand with me that day. But I'm just trying to show you the struggles. There's that smoke I was talking about. The struggles with just a regular drill and how you can't get the job done. So the regular Allen key drill bit, and that's how you get those panels in. Here I am showing you how you turn the lock in order to get the anchors into the panel that you just installed. One-handed, this is impossible to do, so I'll show you the after install here in just a minute. But one-handed you can't do. You have to pull back on the anchor a little bit, and then you have to push it up into that slot, and there's the finished product right there. So just some extra tie downs. Looks great. Finishes off the bed. Doesn't leave those open holes in the bed of your truck anymore, and looks pretty good. And they are very functional as well. You can find those links in the description, like I said earlier, and how affordable they were. Like I said, purchasing them separately. Again, here's the finished product. Make sure you like, comment, maybe even share this video. I would appreciate it. Subscribe, and y'all stay blessed.